Hi guys, it's Vesta here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am participating in a collab hosted by Kenya over at Kenya's Decor Corner. Kenya is very talented. She has some amazing videos about tablescapes, DIYs, shopping hauls. She does the quarterly lantern collabs or seasonal lantern collabs, so please do check out her channel. I'll have it linked to the video before I'll have it linked to the description below. So for this challenge, what we had to do was use our lanterns, so either decorate them or show how we use them in our decor. So I put a little bit of a twist on this, and I actually I DIY'd a lantern, just a really simple lantern, and I used it in decor. So here's what I've done. For my summer lantern video, I will also be creating a lantern made out of a mason jar. This is just a regular old mason jar that I had at home. It's a liter. Doesn't say anywhere, but it is a liter. And I'll be using that as well as jute rope. I always have jute rope on hand. And so I'll just be using a mason jar to make my little lantern, and then I'll be using it in some decor. Because we can't go out, couldn't exactly go out and buy a different kind of lantern, and I've always wanted to make one of these, so I thought I'd share it with you. So what I started off with is taking a piece of twine and wrapping it around the top of the mason jar, and then tying it up and just leaving a little piece of it there just in case I needed it for something before I cut it off. Then I measured how much I would need of the rope. I don't know where the video went of this, but I measured by kind of going over top of the jar, and then seeing like from the bottom of the jar over top and then to the bottom, and seeing how long that was, and doing about 3 times of that size of jute rope for that. So you'll be able to see what I've done. I'm not sure what is happening with my, there we go, with the angle. But so you can see how long that is roughly. So you, like I said, you take the string over top, and then you kind of see how long that is, and that's what I did. And then I took 8 pieces of string, and I'm tying them to the little rope that I tied around the mason jar. And I'm just doing a regular knot for this. And again, leaving a little bit up top just in case I needed to adjust something or fix something. And I'm spreading them out evenly, so one on each side. And so they're evenly spread apart. So if you think that they're not even, just kind of move them around a little bit, because they're not like glued in there or anything, so you can move them around. Once you have all 8 strings tied, you just want to move it around just so that it is even. I'm sorry, you can't see that. And then you'll start off by tying these strings together. I'll show you what I do here. Just make sure you spread them out, because they can get tangled. So you just make one nice knot there, and then you're going to make another knot there, and you do that all around. And you try to make it as even as possible, so the length of each one is the same length. I used about a finger length. And once you've done all 4 pairs of string, then you want to go ahead and you want to tie them together. So then you're going to take 1 string from each pair, and then tie it together like so. And then you just want to make sure when you're taking them, that you're not grabbing the wrong one, that you're grabbing kind of from the outside as you go. And then you want to do, so like basically the one that hasn't been tied together to another one. And you want to do this all around, and you want to do it till the bottom of the mason jar. So I did, I believe, 3 of these knots. So here is the finished mason jar. I really like the way it turned out. Again, it's not like it's perfectly done. Or sorry, not mason jar, the lantern, but it looks really neat. It has the little rope around it. It's not just a plain mason jar anymore. And I also created this one just so you can see. I don't have a video of this one, but this is another summer lantern that I use. That one just hangs. That one was made out of a bigger mason jar. So here's what they look like on my back porch. I have nice seating here. I've put them in this tray that I also DIY'd. I have some lilacs from my backyard, and some tulips and some lily of the valleys. I've put candles in both. I lit the candles up, but unfortunately, because it's daylight, you cannot see it. I did not get a chance to film this last night. I was still completing my lantern, the little one yesterday. So, but anyway, I really love the way the lantern turned out, and I love how this porch looks with the lanterns and with the flowers. I think it's very inviting, very beautiful, and very summer-like. So if you liked this video, please be sure to hit the notification button, subscribe to my channel. I have more like this. Um, if you want to see more, stick around. I'll have a few more videos that I've recommended for you at the end of the video. Make sure you check out the playlist. I'm sure there'll be tons of amazing lantern decor, maybe some DIYs as well. Make sure you check out Kenya's channel, and thank you for stopping by. And like I said, do consider subscribing if you liked what you see. Thanks, and have an excellent day, and stay safe.